Children, welcome to my channel Excellent Tutorials. Today I am continuing the passing package. In that I will start polynomial chapter. In that first we will do find the zeros of the given polynomial. Okay. Next find the roots of the given polynomial and find the nature of the roots of the given polynomial. First we will do find the zeros of the polynomials. First one, x square minus 7x plus 12. When x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0, then factorize the 12. What are the factors of 12? Here plus is there, no? By adding the factors, we have to get the factors of 12, we have to get the middle term. If it is minus, by subtracting the factors of 12, we have to get the middle term. Here plus is there. By adding the factors, we have to get the middle term. Here middle term is 7. And what are the factors? That we have to get 7 by adding. 3 and 4 are the factors of 12. By adding 3 and 4, we will get 7. Okay. For both the factors, we have to keep minus, then we will get minus 7x. Okay. Then instead of 7x, we have to replace the factors of 12, that are minus 4 and minus 3. Okay. X square minus 4x minus 3x plus 12. Then we have to make two parts. First two, x square minus 4x and minus 3x plus 12. From these two, what is the common factor? Here x square and minus 4x. In both the term, x is there. I have to take x as a common. Then x minus 4 remain inside the bracket. Okay. X square means 2x, x into x. In that 1x we took outside. 1x remains inside, and from 4x minus 4x will take x outside, minus 4 remains. Then from these two, what is common? 3 is the common factor. Minus 3 we have to take as a common factor from these two terms. Then by dividing 3x dividing by 3, x remains. Then 12 divided by 3 will get 4. Here also we got x minus 4. In first bracket also x minus 4. Here also x minus 4. In both the brackets we have to get same thing. Then only sum will be correct. Otherwise it will be something wrong you did. Okay. Next same factors I have to take one time. X minus 4. X minus 4. In these two, I have to take one time. Then both the coefficient x minus 3, these together make another bracket. Okay. Next instead of these two, we kept one time, and these together made another bracket. Now both the bracket equalize to 0. X minus 4 is equal to 0 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now 4 transfer that side, minus 4 transfer to that side, it become plus 4, and minus 3x, minus 3, x minus 3, x keep left side, minus 3 transfer to right side, it become plus 3. Now we got the values of x, 4 and 3. Therefore 4 and 3 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Understood? Okay. We'll go to next example. Okay. Now we'll do second sum. X square minus 15x plus 50. When x square minus 15x plus 50 is equal to 0. This became 5. It is 50 only. Next x square plus 10x plus 5x plus 50. These are the factors of 50. We have to take the factors of 50. Last C value, constant value is there, no? 50. This we have to factorize if it is plus here, by adding the factors we have to get the middle term. Here middle term is 15x. When we will get 15 by adding, what are the factors of 50? 10 and 5. 10 5 is a 50. By adding 10 and 5 we will get 15. By multiplying 10 into 5, 50. Okay. That factors we have to select as the, here we have to replace this term by those factors. First one will be as it is, last one 50. This is 50. That we have to keep as it is. Then now make two parts. First to one part, second to one part. From these two, what is called common? X is the common factor by first two terms. From first term, if we will take x as common, x remains inside. From second term, if we will take x as common, then 10 remains inside. Okay. From these two, if we will take 5 as a common. See here, what is the common factor? 5 and 50. 5 is the common factor. Then 5 will take outside, only x remains inside, plus as it is. Then 5, what's the 50? 5 tens are. Then x plus 10 remains inside. Okay. Now these two factors are same. In these two, same thing, same factor, we have to keep one time. Then both the coefficient. Here x is there, here 5 is there. These together we have to make another bracket. Okay. Then x plus 10 is equal to 0. Both the bracket we have to equalize to 0. Then x plus 5 is equal to 0. Each bracket we have to equate to 0. Then 10 transfer to right side. X plus 10 is there now. That 10 transfer to right side. Then it become minus 10 and plus 5. X plus 5. In that 5 transfer to right side, it become minus 5. Therefore, minus 10 and minus 5 are the zeros of the polynomial, given polynomial. Okay, understood? Next, we go to third sum. Third sum is x. Third sum, x square minus 2x minus 8. When x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0, then we have to take the factors of 8. What are the factors of 8? 4 into 2. 4 to the 8. Here minus is there. If it is minus here, by subtracting the factors of 8, we have to get the middle term. Okay. What is the midterm here? By subtracting 2 in 4, we will get 2. Okay. That factors, for any number, different pairs of factors will be there. For 8 also, 8 ones is there, 4 twos is there. Like that, different factors, pairs of factors are there. But here, what is the suitable pair of factor that we have to take? Here, 4 into 2 is the suitable pair that we have to take and replace minus 2x by minus 4x plus 2x. Then we'll get the same thing. Meaning is same. Minus 2x will get by subtracting these two. Minus 4x plus 2x. Then first term x square, last term minus 8. Both will be as it is. Only this term we have to replace by these factors. Next, make two parts. First two terms one part, second two term one part. And from these two, what is common factor? X. If we will take x as a common, then one more x remains inside, and from 4x we will take x outside, minus 4 remains. Okay. X square minus 4x. From these two we will take x as common, x minus 4 we got. Okay. From these two we can take 2 as a common factor. If we will take 2 as a common factor, x remains inside, and this divided by 2 will get 4 minus 4. See, this one and this one both are same. If we will get both the brackets same thing, then only our sum, what factors we took, what we did, that everything is right. Okay. Next, from these two I have to take one time. same factors are there, no? X minus 4, X minus 4. From those two, we have to take one time. Then in another bracket, this coefficient X and 2, X plus 2, make another bracket. Okay. Now, both the bracket equalize to 0. Then that only X keep left side, minus 4, transfer right side, will get X value 4. And this also equate to 0. Then 2 transfer right side, it become minus 2. Therefore, we got the X values 4 and minus 2. Therefore, 4 and minus 2 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Understood? Okay. We'll go to the next example. See, in fourth example, 6x square minus 13x plus 6. Here, a value is also there. In previous sums, this was not there. Polynomial started by x square. But here, a is 6 and c is 6. We have to multiply these two first. 6 and 6 will get 36. That we have to factorize to get the middle term. What is the middle term here? Minus 13x. Then we got the product of these two is 36. Means here plus is there, no? By adding the factors of the 36, we have to get the 30. What are the factors of 36? Many factors are there for 36. But for here to get a minus 13, we have to take the factors 9 into 4. 9 4s are 36. 9 plus 4, 30. For addition, we will get 13x middle term, because here plus is there, no? By adding, we have to get the middle term. By multiplying, we have to get the same thing. What is the product of these two? 36. That we have to get. 9 4s are 36. 9 plus 4, 13. Okay. 13 replaced by 9 and 4. Both we have to keep minus to get a minus 13x. We have to add x with both these. First term and last term keep as it is. Only replace this minus 13x by minus 9x and minus 4x. This will be as it is, plus 6x. Okay. Then make two parts. First two, 6x square minus 9x and minus 4x plus 6x, minus 4x plus 6 is make it second part. From these two, what is the common factor? 3x. If we will take 3x as common, then 3 2s are, and from x square, if we will take 1x, 1x remains inside. 2x remains if we will take 3x from this. Then from this, 3 3s are. 1x is there, that we already took outside. No x remains here. Only 3 remains. Okay. Now, from second part, from these two, we have to take common factor. What is the common factor for a 4 and 6? Minus 2. 2 2s are. Then x will be remain. And 2x is the remainder by the first term. And minus into minus, minus into plus, minus. Here minus we took outside, common. Therefore, we have to multiply minus into plus, minus. 2 3s are 6. Therefore, 2x minus 3 we got inside. Okay. Now, see these two. Both are same. From these two same factors, we have to take one time, and outside factors 3x minus 2, we have to make another bracket. From both the coefficient, make another bracket. Say by these two same factor, we have to take the one bracket. Then both the brackets have to equate to 0. Then this 3 transfer to right side, it become plus 3, and this 2 coefficient also transfer to right side, this into become division. X is equal to, we need only x value, therefore everything we have to transfer to right side except x. First minus 3 transfer to right side, it become plus 3, and this coefficient 2 also transfer to right side, that goes down. 3 by 2. Okay. Here first 3x keep as it is, minus 2 transfer to right side, that is 2 plus 2, then this 3 also transfer to right side, that goes down, then we will get 2 by 3. Minus 2 become plus 2 and this coefficient goes down and 2 by 3. Now x value we got 3 by 2 and 2 by 3. Therefore 3 by 2 and 2 by 3 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Okay, many sums we did in the polynomials to get the zeros. Okay, now I think you understood. You do some more examples on this, then we'll go to find the roots by formula method. Okay, for the given polynomial. Students, now we'll start one more very important method. Solve the quadratic equation, find the roots by using formula. By using formula method, find the roots of the given quadratic equation or the given quadratic polynomial. Okay, see, first example, x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. First we have to write the a, b, c values. A means what? It is the coefficient of x square. We already learnt what is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. According to that quadratic equation, we have to find the values of the a, b, c. Here a is coefficient of x square, that is, here nothing means 1 will be there. That is understood. No coefficient, 1 is the coefficient. Then b value minus 7, that is coefficient of x. Last c value is a constant value. What is there? Only constant number. In the last is there, no? That is as a c. Okay. Now we got a, b, c values. Now write the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. To remember this formula, if you know this formula, if you know to write ABC value, then it is easy to find the roots of the given quadratic equation. Just replace the values of ABC, then simplify. It is very, very important. Definitely this comes for the exam. Okay. See here. Here b replaced by minus 7. Minus is there in the formula. Then b value from this equation, b value is minus 7. Therefore, we have to keep double minus. Minus of minus 7 plus or minus, as in the formula, we have to write as it is. Then square root of minus 7 whole square. B replaced by minus 7. Square will be as it is. Minus will be as it is. 4 will be as it is. A replaced by 1. C replaced by 12. In denominator, 2 will be as it is. A replaced by 1. Now we replaced all the values, then simplify. Okay. X is equal to 7 will be as it is, plus or minus as it is. Then inside the root, we have to simplify. 7 square is 49. Minus 7 by making square, it becomes plus, and 7 square is 49 plus 49. Then this product of 3 became 48. Then 49 minus 48. 49 minus 48, it will be 1. 49 minus 48. In denominator, 2 into 1, 2. Okay, see here. 7 will be as it is. Up to last term, this is as it is. Nothing we did. Only inside the root, under the root, what are the numbers are there, that we have to simplify. We got, by simplifying whole root, we got root 1 divided by 2. Then root 1. 1 is a square number. It is a perfect square. Root of this number, we know what is the root of 1, that is 1 only. Then if it is a square number, then we can continue to get only single number. Okay, now 7 plus or minus will be as it is. This we have to replace by 1 because root of 1 is, square root of 1 is 1. So 7 plus or minus 1 divided by 2. Then we have to make two terms by taking plus as 1 and minus 1 time. Okay, plus 7 plus 1 divided by 2. By adding these two, it becomes 8. 8 by 2 is 4. 8 divided by 2 will be 4. 7 minus 1. Once I have to take minus, once I have to take plus. When we took plus, we got it 4. When we'll take minus, that becomes 7 minus 1 will be 6. 6 by 2 will get 3. Okay, this is 4, this is 3. Therefore, roots of the equation x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0 or 4 and 3. Okay, understood? It's very easy, very simple. Only one formula you'll remember, then it is easy to get 2 marks easily you'll score. Now, example 2, solve for x by formula method. Given equation is x square plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 3, C is equal to minus 10. What is the coefficient of x square? Is 1, that is A value. Coefficient of x is 3, that is B value. Minus 10, we got all the values of A, B, C. Now replace the values in the equation. In a formula, we have to replace B by 3. Minus B is there in the formula, no? Minus as it is in the formula, only 3 replaced by B. Plus or minus will be as it is, and put root, and instead of B, we have to replace 3. Whole square will be as it is, minus 4 as it is, and A replaced by 1 and C replaced by minus 10. Then in the denominator, A replaced by 1, 2 will be as it is. Okay. Now simplify this part. This 3 square is 9. Here 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 10 is 40. Minus into minus, plus. Plus 40. Product of these 3, 4 into 1, 4 into 10 is 40. Minus into minus, plus. Plus 40. This is plus 9. Now, both are plus, no? Now we have to add these two. 9 plus 40, 49. Whole root became root 49. Okay. In denominator, 2 into 1, that also 2 ones are 2, that is 2. Now minus 3 plus or minus root 49 divided by 2. This is square number. 49 is a perfect square number that we have to replace by its square root. Okay. 49's root is 7. Minus 3, keep as it is, plus or minus 7 divided by 2. Plus or minus, two values are no. So, x is equal to, once we have to take middle plus, once we have to take minus. First, we will take plus, minus 3 plus 7 divided by 2. In 7, subtract minus 3, we will get 4. 4 by 2 is 2. 2 ones are 2, 2's are 2. We got one root as 2. Now, we have to take a minus in the middle. Okay. Minus 3, minus 7. We have to add these two. It became minus 10 by 2. Simplify this. 2 ones are 2, 5's are 10. Minus will be as it is, and minus 5. Now, we got the two roots. 2 and minus 5 are the solution for the given quadratic equation. Now we will do third sum. 3x square minus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. A value is 3, B is minus 7, C is 2. Okay. Now write the formula. Replace the values. B by minus 7. Again plus or minus same root as it is. Instead of B, replace minus 7. Square will be as it is. Minus as it is. 4 also as it is. Only A replaced by 3. C replaced by 2. In denominator 2 as it is. And A replaced by A value 3. Okay. Now simplify this part. 7 square is 49. Minus become plus. 7 square is 49. This by squaring minus goes plus 49. Then multiply these 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. Minus 24. This is plus 49 will get. In that 49 I have to subtract minus 24. That will get 25. Remaining is 25 plus 25. Plus 49 minus 24 will get plus 25. In denominator 2 into 3 it becomes 6. Okay. See here. Minus into minus plus 7. Next step minus into minus it becomes plus 7 and plus or minus as it is, square root as it is. Inside the root we simplified this, we got plus 25. In denominator 6. Okay. Here also we got square number 25. What is the root of the 25? We know that is 5. 7 plus or minus 5 divided by 6. Next we have to separate this plus ones and minus ones. 7 plus 5 will get 12. 12 by 6 that is 2. 6 ones are 6 twos are. Then we have to take ones as a minus. 7 minus 5 it becomes 2 by 6. 2 ones are 2. 3s are 6. 1 by 3 will get. Next sum 3x square plus 10 minus 10x. 3x square plus 10x minus 25 is equal to 0. Then write the ABC values. A is 3, B is 10 and C is minus 25. Okay. X is equal to, write the formula first, then replace the value B by minus B by 10. A value B in place of B minus 10 and plus or minus square root as it is 10 square. B value is 10 now. Square will be as it is, minus will be as it is, 4 as it is. Only A replaced by 3 and C replaced by minus 25. In denominator A replaced by 3. 2 as in the formula only. Now simplify this part first and multiply these two. Then 10 square is 100. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 25. We'll get 300. Minus into minus plus. 4 3s are 12. 12 into 25. 300. Minus into minus plus. This is 100. 100 plus 300. 400. Okay. Minus 10 plus or minus square root of 400 divided by 6. Then this is a square number. 400 is a square. Its root is square root of 400 is 20. Then minus 10 plus or minus 20 divided by 6. Now we have to replace, we have to take ones plus, make a root, and once we have to take a minus and find the another root. Now minus 10 plus 20, it become 10. 10 by 6. By simplifying 10 by 6, we'll get 5 by 3. Then in one more time, minus 10 minus 20. Minus 10 and minus 20, it become minus 30. Minus 30 by 6, 6 ones are 6 5s are minus 5. Okay. Now we got the roots of the given quadratic equation are 5 by 3 and minus 5. Now understood the how to find the roots of the quadratic equation. You understood now? Okay. Okay. We will do one more sum to find the roots of the given quadratic equation. See here, the example is 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. This given quadratic equation, comparing equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is the standard quadratic equation. We'll get a is 2, b is 1, c is minus 4. Then only under root what is there? P square minus 4ac. In the formula, inside the root b square minus 4ac comes, no? That we have to calculate separately. Then that value directly we can replace in the formula. That b square minus 4ac, first we will find it. Then b value is 1, 1 square minus 4 as it is, a is 2, c is minus 4. Multiply these 3, 4 to the 8, 4 the 32. Plus, minus into minus, plus 32 plus 1. We'll get 33. Okay. Whole value under root, what we'll get? B square minus 4ac value. That we consider as a d. That value we got it 33. So the roots of the equation are x is equal to minus b plus or minus root d. B square minus 4ac we took as d divided by 2a. Okay. Minus b plus or minus square root d divided by 2a. Now replace the values. B is 1, minus will be as it is, plus or minus as it is, square root of 33. D value we got 33 now. D replaced by 33. In denominator a replaced by 2. 2 into 2, 4. Minus 1 as it is, plus or minus as it is, root 33 divided by 4. Okay. Now x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 33 by 4, and once we took as a plus here, two equations plus or minus. That I separated here. Once I took as a plus, once as a minus. Minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 and minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. These only we have to consider as the roots of the given equation, because we can't solve it 33, root 33, because it is a irrational number. We can't simplify it. We can't get the factors. That's why these are the roots of the given equation. Okay. Now we will go to nature of the roots. What are the nature of the roots? How to find it? We'll do that. Now we'll find the nature of the roots. Students, this is the general quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then for this equation, to get the roots, we'll use this formula now. In previous sums, we used this formula and we got the roots of the equation. From that formula, what is the things here? B square minus 4ac is there under the root now. That part we have to take. That is the discriminant value. B square minus 4ac is discriminant. Okay. Only this part I have to take and find the value of this, that is discriminant. Then by that we can calculate the nature of the roots. Okay. See here. Already we know the properties of the nature of the roots. So here I'll say once again, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, means this discriminant value, after solving this value, if we'll get greater than 0, then roots will be distinct and real. Distinct and real roots will get if it is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means any positive number we'll get by solving this delta or discriminant value. Okay. After that, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, by solving this we'll get that value is equal to 0, then the roots will be real and equal. Equal and real roots will get if it is equal to 0. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then no real numbers, no real roots. Not raw numbers, no real roots. That means we will get the imaginary roots. If it is less than 0. Less than 0 means any negative number will get by solving the discriminant. Delta value will get less than 0 or any negative result will get. Then that is called as imaginary roots or not real roots. Okay. We have to remember these three conditions, then we can say the nature of the roots. Okay. Now we will find the nature of the roots for these equations one by one. First equation is 9x square minus 12x plus 4 is equal to 0. From this equation we will get a is 9, b is minus 12 and c is 4. These values are to replace for this delta value or discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Instead of b, replace minus 12. Square will be as it is, minus as it is, 4 as it is, a replaced by 9 and c replaced by 4. Now we have to simplify. Minus 12 whole square means 12 square is 144. Minus goes by squaring. It becomes plus 144. Then 4 into 9, 36. 36 into 4, 144. This is minus. Then 144 plus and 144 minus. Plus into minus, equal things, equal and opposite side will get 0. Okay. Now we got the delta value is equal to 0. Means I told the properties of the nature of the roots, no? That conditions, if it is equal to 0, what will be the nature of the roots? Are equal and real. Now for this equation, nature of roots are equal and real. Second equation is 2x square minus 9x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here a is 2, b is minus 9, c is 4. b square minus 4ac is the discriminant. Replace now b by minus 9, minus 4 as it is, a replaced by 2 and c replaced by 4. Now simplify. Minus 9 whole square. 9 square is 81. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 4, 32. 81 minus 32. What is the subtraction of 81 minus 32? We will get 49. Okay. Now we got the positive integer. If we get the answer greater than 0 or any positive integer, then the nature of roots will be real and distinct. Here for this equation we got the roots real and distinct. In third example, equation is 2x square plus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. A is 2, b is 5, c is 4. Now replace ABC value in discriminant b square minus 4ac. Okay. B replaced by 5, a replaced by 2, c replaced by 4. Then 5 square is 25. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 4, 32. 25 minus 32, we got minus 7. What is the minus 7? It is a negative number. Means it is less than 0. What is the condition of the nature of the roots? If any delta value or discriminant value will get a negative answer, then those roots are not real or imaginary roots. Okay, now you understood all the three types of roots. Equivalent. If discriminant value is 0, then roots are real and equal. If discriminant value is greater than 0, means any positive answer, any positive integer will get roots are distinct and real. Then if delta value or discriminant value will get any negative integer, then roots are not real or imaginary. Okay students, now you understood how to find the zeros of the polynomial and how to find the roots of the given quadratic equation by formula method and how to find the nature of the roots. Okay, practice all these sums, and with this some more examples you have to practice. From these sums definitely comes for your board exam. Okay, then practice other sums also. Then I will do another important definite sums in a next video. Like my channel and subscribe it. Thank you.